Chris, we have talked endlessly in our programming on CISO series about storing data in the cloud and whether you want that data stored as a single instance or you want it essentially grouped with all the other data. At Material Security, where you're storing email information, you have a policy of just single tenant and that only. Why is that?
Email contains incredibly sensitive data, be it social security numbers, personal data, whether it's a healthcare company we're dealing with. Customer data shouldn't be mixed. We don't ever want to have to worry about customer data being intermingled, and it allows us to give customers access to their own tenants.
By the way, I understand you have multiple different models here. So walk me through the models and the one that allows for you to both have that same visibility, which I understand is the most popular.
We have three models, three deployment models. The first is our managed model, which you could think of as just traditional SaaS. We're deployed and you can log in. The second is a semi-managed model where we can give a customer access to the backend of the Material tenant. And the third model is a customer managed model where Material is fully locked out of accessing your data and it can be deployed on premises.
The semi-managed, which I think is most intriguing, which is your most popular, they get to see what you see. So what is it they're seeing that they essentially find so valuable?
Material Security is deployed in GCP. So what we're able to do is give customers owner access to a GCP project, which in GCP parlance is effectively root access to all of the backend resources and processing that Material is taking with their data. Additionally, that includes all of the audit logs of every action taken by the Material platform in their environment.
What have you found with your customers has been the big wow factor of your product?
The two things that are leveraged most heavily are the BigQuery data warehouses to solve other business problems, sometimes related to business operations. And then the other is using GCP Cloud Functions, which are effectively serverless functions where you have the ability to execute arbitrary code against any incoming or outgoing email in your environment. And in that scenario, the sky effectively becomes the limit with what you can and can't do to transform your email.
Awesome. Well, if you want to know how Material Security can help transform your email, create it in a very protected environment, its own tenant for that matter, you should check out what Material Security is doing. It's right there, material.security. Go check them out.